Do you ever get depressed while doing product research? I can't be the only one, and it's something I have to work on for sure. But I notice my moods, my emotions, and my mentality through the different cycles, through the different stages of e-commerce. And I find a lot that when I choose a product, I'm building the website, I'm building the creatives, I'm launching the ads, I tend to be more optimistic and I tend to enjoy what I do. I tend to be happy and think that this is it, this is going to be the one. And when it doesn't hit, and then I go back to stage one of product research, it's a whole different ballgame. It's a whole different mindset where it's all negative. Negativity comes in, and you're then questioning: Is this it? Am I doing something wrong? What's wrong? How come I can't find it? A winning product. I feel like I can't be the only one that feels like that. It's like this constant cycle. During a week, it's like up, down, up, down. And although that I haven't really completely solved the solution, I can definitely give you some tips. Or look, at the end of the day, it's part of the game. You have to understand that product research, especially with dropshipping, either the last product you tested made $0 or $400,000. You're still gonna end up going and doing product research. It's just we attach our emotions a lot on the results, which is obviously common knowledge, it's common human nature. But we have to really, really understand and try our best to detach ourselves from that, to detach emotions from what we do. It's a business at the end of the day, and it's a progress. It's a journey, and whether the last one made $0 or 400, you still have to treat it the same, act the same. Just like how I just released a mindset course on my last few videos. Part of the lessons was understanding that you have to act and believe and pray and think like that the goals and the things that you want in life have already come and you have already achieved them. So the same way that you would have the same mindset as if doing product research, but your last product did 400,000, you should do it even if the last product did 0. And even if you made 400,000 overall, you're gonna have some products that just don't hit. You think all the very successful dropshippers test something that just doesn't work? Of course they do. I think it's very important for your journey and the longevity of how long you can take without getting any results is your mindset and your mood, and simply just understanding that product research is part of the game. Now, I know I've been more skeptical. I've been more taking a slower pace for testing products. Every product I test, I do more research. I think about it more. Is it really worth a test rather than just spam testing? 100% that's definitely the route I've been taking lately. And look, my tests have been getting better. It's just the winner is going to come soon. I just feel like a lot of people, and I'm sure you watching this sometimes too, when you're doing product research and the last few ones did not hit, you're more down than when you're building it because you're more optimistic. You have your direction. You know what you're doing. You're waking up and saying, well, I got to build this product. I got to build this brand. I got to build these creatives, this website. Whereas when it's a product research, when you have to wake up and do product research, the direction's kind of all over the place, and that's where anxiety and stress comes in. So just really, really, there's not tips or tricks or one thing that can help you be more optimistic even on these periods of product research. I I think it's just understanding that detach any emotion from it. You're running a business, believe in yourself, have confidence in what you do. And I think no matter what cycle you're in, either product research or scaling hundreds of thousands of dollars, you should feel the absolute same no matter what. I know it's hard, it's not easy, but I think if you can manage to pull some type of mentality like that, I think it'll get you far. Anyways, do that, and I'll see you at the top.